Broad-winged hawks, locally known as the chicken hawk, are one of the smaller raptors with chunky bodies and large heads. In flight, their broad wings come to a distinct point whilst their tail is short and squared. They have reddish-brown heads with barred underparts, and broad black and white stripes across their tail. The pale undersides of the wings are outlined in a dark brown. Juveniles tend to be a lighter brown with coarse streaking on the underparts, particularly on the side of their breast, and their tail is narrowly striped. Broad-winged hawks can be found in forests and spend most of their time underneath the canopy. They feed on small mammals, amphibians, and insects. They watch for their food from the tree perches before they swoop down to snatch it.